Good morning everybody. Welcome to KGBV online classes AP Samagra Shiksha VIZIANAGARAM district. My name is M.ANURADHA, working as Maths CRT at KGBV GANTYADA. Children, already we have completed June-July Maths syllabus, sets and real numbers, statistics also. In this August month, we learn some topics, that is third chapter polynomials. Today we will discuss about the introduction of polynomials. Already in earlier classes we have learned some terms, that is constants, variables. Learned in earlier classes constants, variables, terms. These three terms are known in earlier classes. Constants. What are constants? Like 3, -5, 1/2, 7, etc. These are constants. Constants means this value will not change. 3, it will be 3. So, constants will not change anywhere. Next one, variables. What are variables? Variables mean varying, that is changing. It may be changed the value. Variables we take x, y, z, small a, small b, small c, l, m, etc. We take variables. Variables means values or it may be changed. Next one, terms. Product of constants and variables. -3x square, 4y cube, 4y cube. 5y is a term. Product of variables and constants are called terms. -3x square is a one term. 4y cube is also a one term. These terms are connected by plus or minus. X minus x plus y and 2x cube minus 3z. These are two terms. 2x cube is one term, minus 3z is another term. 3z is another term. These two terms are connected by plus or minus. These are also called as expression. It's known as expression. Variables and constants are separated by these terms, separated by some plus or minus. A plus b minus 3c is also an expression. Terms are separated by plus and minus. So these are expression. This is expression. In this expression, 2 minus 3 plus 5 plus 7. This have only constants, numbers only. These constants are separated by plus or minus. So, this is known as numerical expression. This is known as numerical expression. This expression has only numbers. These are numerical expression. Some expressions have x plus 2y minus 3. This is an algebraic expression. This is an algebraic expression. So, expression is in the terms numerical expression, also algebraic expression. So, constants, variables, terms, numerical expression, algebraic expression. Terms are separated by plus or minus. Terms are separated by plus and minus. 2x cube minus 3y. How many terms are there? 2x cube is one term, 3y is another term. So, 2x cube minus 3y. This is an algebraic expression. This algebraic expression have two terms, that is 2x cube 3y is another term. A minus 3b square plus 3c is also an algebraic expression. This expression have 3 terms. How many terms? 3 terms. That are a is one term, 3b square is another term, 3c is another term. So next we will discuss about an important concept is coefficients. What is coefficient? Coefficient means product of minus 5a square. Product of variable and constant. This is one term. In this term, a square is multiplied by minus 5. So, coefficient of a square is minus 5, which is producted by another one, which is multiplied by number, that is called coefficient. Minus 2x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 5. This is an algebraic expression. Coefficient of x power 4 is 2. X power 4 is multiplied by 2. So 2 is the coefficient of x power 4. X cube is multiplied by minus 3. So, coefficient of x cube is minus 3. 5 is also a constant. So, 3 terms are there. Coefficient of a square is minus 5. 2y power 5 minus 3y square plus 7y. So, coefficient of y. Coefficient of y is 7 because y is variable, 7 is constant. Y is multiplied by 7. So, coefficient of y is 7. Coefficient of y is 7. Next, today our important concept is polynomial. What is polynomial? Polynomial. Our topic is polynomial. What is polynomial? In this algebraic expression, an algebraic expression in which the variable having an exponent is non-negative integer. In this algebraic expression in which the variable involved or having an exponent is non-negative integer. ఈ వేరియబుల్ కి ఎక్స్పోనెంట్ అనేది నెగటివ్ నెంబర్ కాకూడదు, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇంటీజర్ కాకూడదు, నాన్ నెగటివ్ ఇంటీజర్, దట్ మీన్స్ whole number. This is not a exponent, is not a decimal number, not a fraction or not a negative number. So, an algebraic expression in which the variables having a whole number powers or exponents, which variable rising to the power is a non-negative integer. The variable having must a whole number, that means non-negative integers, not a negative number, not a rational number or not a fraction, not a decimal. Only variable having exponents are non-negative integer is called polynomial. What is polynomial? What is polynomial? An algebraic expression in which the variables having only non-negative integer exponent. Non-negative integer exponents. In this algebraic expression, the variables having only non-negative integer exponents. For example, 2x square plus 5x minus 6. This is a polynomial because what is the variable in this expression? X. X is the variable. Power of x is 2, is a whole number. This is a non-negative integer. Power of x 1. So this is a constant. So 2x square plus 5x minus 6 is a polynomial because the variables having a non-negative integer because what is the variable in this expression? X. So x, what is that exponent? 1. 1. So 1 is the whole number, non-negative integer. So 2x plus 5 is a polynomial. X cube. X cube is a polynomial variable x. Power is 3. So whole number. So these all are polynomials. What are not a polynomial? 2 root x. In this expression, the 2 root x variable is x. X power root x means x to the power of 1 by 2. So this variable having a fraction exponent. So this is not a polynomial because variable having an exponent is fraction. So this is not a polynomial. Cube root y. Cube root y means y to the power of 1 by 3. This is not a polynomial because the variable have not a non-negative integer exponent, which is a fraction. So 1 by y square minus 1. 1 by y square minus 1 can be written as y square minus 1 whole to the power of minus 2. It becomes a numerator, it will change in y square minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1. The variable having an exponent is negative number. So 1 by y square minus 1 is not a polynomial. Next one, 1 by x square minus 3x plus 1 is also not a polynomial because in this expression denominator having a variable. So this is not a polynomial. 1 by t square can be written as t to the power of minus 2. Already we have learned in earlier classes 1 by a power n written as a to the power of minus n. 1 by n written as a to the power of minus n. So variable having a negative number. So our definition, variable having an exponent is non-negative integer. Next, m power minus 2 plus 7. What is the variable? M. This variable having a negative number exponent. So m power minus 2 plus 7 is not a polynomial. We take some examples on what are expression and what are polynomial. X square minus 1. X square minus 1 is a expression and polynomial because variable having a positive number. Next, 2x plus 3y square plus 7. In this x power 1, 3 power y, 3 into y square plus 7. This is also an expression. This is also an polynomial also. 1 by x plus 1. 1 by x plus 1 is a expression, but this is not a polynomial. Y power minus 2 plus 1. This is also a expression, but it is not a polynomial because y is a variable having a negative exponent. So what is our definition of polynomial? An algebraic expression in which the variables having only non-negative integer exponents. Variables అన్ని కూడా non-negative integers కలిగి ఉన్న exponents తో ఉంటేనే అవి polynomials అవుతాయి. సో denominator లో వేరియబుల్ ఉన్నా అది not a polynomial. Variables కి negative exponent ఉన్నా అది polynomial కాదు. So 2 root x is not a polynomial. Cube root y is not a polynomial. 1 by y square minus 1 is not a polynomial. In this textbook, page number 48, do this. Which are polynomials or not? 2x cube is a polynomial because x having an exponent is whole number. 1 by x minus 1. 1 by x minus 1 can be written as x minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1. This variable having a negative number. So this is not a polynomial. 4z square plus 7 is a polynomial. P power minus 2 plus 1. P power minus 2. P is a variable having a negative number. So p power minus 2 plus 1 is not a polynomial. Okay, understood? We will discuss about another important concept is degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial. Recall that in earlier classes we have already learned degree of a polynomial. If p of x is polynomial in variable x, if p of x is a polynomial in using a variable x, what is degree? The highest power of variable, highest power of a variable is called degree of a polynomial. Highest power of a variable is called polynomial. Some more examples. 2y cube minus 3y square plus 7. What is the variable? Y. So 3 is the highest power of in this polynomial. So degree is 3. So this polynomial having degree 3. L cube minus 8. L cube minus 8 is a polynomial. This variable having exponent is 3. Highest power is 3. So degree is 3. Degree is 3. P power 5 minus 3p square plus 9. Variable having the highest power is 5, so degree is 5. In this polynomial, x cube y is using variables x and y, product of x and y. X cube y. This polynomial using variables, two variables x and y. Degree is sum of the variable powers. That is 3 plus 1, that is degree is 4 minus 3abc square. This is also a 110, that is minus 3abc square. Degree is a1 b1 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. So highest power of variable is called degree of polynomial. Some polynomials having highest power is nth degree. The nth degree polynomial, the degree is n. Degree is n. So according to degree, we separate the polynomials. 2x plus 5. This is a degree is 1. This called a which polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Is called linear polynomial. Which polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Y square minus 2y plus 7. This polynomial having highest degree is 2. This polynomial degree is 2. So which polynomial having degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Which polynomial with degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. Minus 3p cube plus 7p plus 9. This polynomial with degree 3. So this polynomial degree 3 is called, which polynomial with degree 3 is called cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. According to degree, types of polynomials are linear polynomial. Which polynomial having degree 1 is called linear polynomial. For example, 2x plus 5, y square minus 1, y minus 1 is a linear polynomial. Y square minus 2y plus 7, degree 2. So this is a quadratic polynomial. A polynomial with degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. A polynomial with degree 3 called cubic polynomial. What is the degree of constants? So we take 6 is constant. The degree of 6, because we can be written as 6 into x to the power of 0. So variable having an exponent is 0. So degree is 0. Degree is 0. The degree of constant is 0. The degree of constant is 0. In this degree of polynomial, degree 1 is called a polynomial having degree is called linear polynomial. A polynomial with degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. A polynomial with degree 3 is cubic polynomial. The degree n is nth degree polynomial. The general form of polynomial can be written as p of x. We are using variable x. So p of x is equal to a naught x power n, because highest power of variable is n. So a naught x power n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1, reduce 1, a2 x power n minus 2 plus etc. so on, a n minus 1 into x plus constant is a. So this is the highest power is n. So this is nth degree polynomial using variable x, where a0, a1, a2, etc., a3, etc., a n minus 1, a are all real coefficients. In this polynomial, a0 not is equal to 0. In which case a0 is equal to 0, this term is loose. So n minus 1th degree polynomial. So because a0 not is equal to 0, a0, a1, a2 are coefficients, are real numbers. So variable is x. This polynomial having an nth degree polynomial. So write 3 different quadratic polynomials. What is quadratic polynomial? A polynomial with degree 2 is called quadratic polynomials. 2y square. This is 1 term only. Degree is 2. This is a quadratic polynomial. P square plus 3. This polynomial having degree 2. In this polynomial having 2 terms. P square is 1 term, 3 is another term. 2 terms. X square minus 2x plus 5. In this polynomial, degree 2. Highest power of variable is 2. So degree is 2. Terms are 3. Next, write 3 different cubic polynomials. Write 3 different cubic polynomials. 3x cube is a cubic polynomial having 1 term. Degree is 3. L cube minus 7. This is also a cubic polynomial with degree 3 having 2 terms. 4x cube minus 3x also a degree 3. This is also a cubic polynomial. 6y cube minus 5y square plus 7y plus 10 having a 4 terms, degree 3. This is also a cubic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 1, maximum terms are 2. A polynomial with degree 2, that polynomial having maximum terms 3. So the polynomial with degree 3 is having maximum terms 4. Linear polynomial minus 5x, degree 1. So this is having only 1 term. X plus 1 is also a linear polynomial with degree 1. So having 2 terms. So degree 1 having which polynomial having degree 1 maximum number of terms is 2. A quadratic polynomial with degree 2 is having maximum number of terms is 3. With degree 3, a polynomial having maximum number of terms is 4. Generally, nth degree polynomial having a terms of n 1 terms. This polynomial having how many terms? N plus 1 terms. In this polynomial, A0 is equal to A1 is equal to A2 is equal to A3 is equal to etc. An minus 1 is equal to A, all are equal to 0. Then P of x, polynomial using variable x, P of x is equal to 0. So this is called zero polynomial. This is called zero polynomial. In this polynomial, where A0, A1, A2, A3, etc. coefficients, real coefficients, then R are equal to 0, then the polynomial P of x will be 0. This is called zero polynomial. What is that? It is equal to R coefficients are 0, then it is called P of x is equal to 0, then it is called zero polynomial. What is the degree of zero polynomial? Degree of zero polynomial, P of x is equal to 0. 0 can be written as 0 into x power 0. So, degree is 0. 0 can be written as 0 into x power 1. 0 into anything is 0. So, can be written as 0 into x power 1. So, degree is 1. So, 0 is equal to 0 into x power 4. Degree is 4. So, change the degree. So, the degree of zero polynomial is undefined. Degree of zero polynomial is undefined. The degree of zero polynomial is undefined. Types of polynomial based on degree and based on terms. We classify the polynomials based on degrees and based on terms. Based on degree, a polynomial having degree 1 is a linear polynomial. For example, y plus 5 minus 3x is a linear polynomial. A polynomial having degree 2 is a quadratic polynomial. X square minus 2x, p square plus 5, p square minus 2p plus 7 is a quadratic polynomial. A polynomial with degree 3 is a cubic polynomial. X cube minus 3x square plus 7 is also an example of cubic polynomial. Degree 0 is a constant polynomial. Which polynomial degree undefined is a zero polynomial. Based on terms, a polynomial having one term, that is monomial, single term. A polynomial having two terms, x square plus 3 is a two terms, is a binomial. A polynomial having three terms, p cube minus 3p plus 7. Three terms are there, is a trinomial. Okay. Another important concept is value of a polynomial. Value of a polynomial. We calculate the value of polynomial. We take P of x is equal to x square minus 2x plus 1. Value of polynomial. We calculate value of polynomial at x is equal to 1. So, replacing x by 1. We obtain the value at x is equal to 1. So, calculate P of 1. Replacing the variable x by 1. So, we calculate P of 1. We substitute 1 in place of x. X square means 1 square minus 2x. 2 into 1 plus 1. 1 square, 1 into 1, that is 1 minus 2 into 1 equal to 2 plus 1. So, positive numbers are adding 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2 P of x at x is equal to 1. P of 1 is equal to 0 at x is equal to 1. Next we calculate P of minus 2. P of minus 2. That is, we replacing the value, substitute in the place of x is equal to minus 2. We replacing minus 2 by x. That is, we replacing minus 2. Substitution of x square minus 2x plus 1 P of x. P of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 whole square minus 2 into x. So minus 2 into minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 whole square. Minus 2 whole square is equal to minus 2 into minus 2. That is 4. Minus into minus plus 2 to the 4 plus 1. Value is 9. So we calculate any value of polynomial. That is, find P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole square minus 2 into minus 1 plus 1. That is, minus 1 whole square means minus 1 into minus 1, that is plus 1. Minus into minus plus 2. 2 1 is 2 plus 1. That value is 4. Suppose we take another example. P of t is equal to t square minus 4. We calculate P of 2. That is, replacing the 2 by t. Replacing t by value 2. That is 2 square minus 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. We calculate P of minus 2. That is minus 2 whole square minus 4. Minus 2 whole square, minus into minus, plus 2 into 2, 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. We calculate P of 0. That means substituting 0 in t place. 0 square minus 4. 0 minus 4. Value is minus 4. At t is equal to 0, the value of polynomial is minus 4. At p is equal to minus 2, the value of polynomial is 0. We will discuss about another concept is 0 of a polynomial. 0 of a polynomial. Suppose we take a polynomial p of x using variable x. That is, suppose we take p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. We calculate P of 1. So 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 6. 1 square means 1 minus 5 1 is 5 plus 6. 1 plus 6 7 minus 5 value is 2. We calculate P of 2. 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. 2 square means 2 into 2, 4 minus 5 is 10 plus 6. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. P of 3. P of 3. We calculate replacing the value 3 by x, that is 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6. 3 square 9 minus 5 is 15 plus 6. In this polynomial, we calculate P of 3 substituting the 3 in the place of variable. So x ఉన్న దగ్గర అంతా కూడా 3 అనేది మనం సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ చేసుకోవాలి. వేరియబుల్ ఎక్కడైతే ఉంటుందో ఆ ప్లేస్ లో మనం తీసుకున్న వాల్యూని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. సపోజ్ వి క్యాలిక్యులేట్ P of 2 వేరియబుల్ యూజింగ్ x. So we substitute 2 in this place of x. P of 3, 9 minus 50 plus 6. So 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. So what is the 0 of the polynomial? In which number we substitute the polynomial, answer will be 0. That is the 0 of the polynomial. P of t is if P of 2 is equal to 0 and if P of 3 is equal to 0, then 2, 3 are zeros of P of x. Which number we substitute in polynomial P of x, then answer will become a 0. Then that numbers are zeros of the polynomial. P of 2 is equal to 0. P of 2 is equal to 0. Then 2 is the 0 of the polynomial P of x. Suppose k is a real number. K is a real number. K is a real number. K is said to be 0 of the polynomial P of x. Then P of k is equal to 0. K is a real number. We calculate P of k. We will get the answer 0. Then k is the 0 of the polynomial P of x. If P of k is equal to 0, then k is the 0 value of that polynomial. Suppose P of t is equal to t square minus 1. Calculate P of 1. 1 square minus 1, that is 0. So 1 is the 0 of the polynomial P of t. K is a real number and P of k is equal to 0. Then k is the 0 of the polynomial. Suppose we calculate P of 2 not is equal to 0. P of 2 is not is equal to 0. Then 2 is not a 0 value. 0 value of polynomial. 0 value of polynomial. Okay? Understood? Next one. Check whether 3, minus 3 are zeros of the polynomial x square minus 1. Now we will check 3, minus 3 are zeros or not of this polynomial. So polynomial we take x square minus 1. 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. We calculate P of 3. Answer will be 0. Then 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. If P of 3 is not is equal to 0, 3 is not a 0 value of this polynomial. We calculate P of 3. So replacing x by 3. Substitute 3 in the place of x. 3 square minus 9. That is 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So P of 3 is equal to 0. Therefore 3 is a 0 value of P of x polynomial. So P of 3 is equal to 0. Then 3 is the 0 value of a polynomial. Next one, calculate P of minus 3. P of minus 3 is equal to minus 3 whole square minus 9. Minus 3 whole square. Minus 3 into minus 3, that is plus 9. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. P of minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, minus 3 is the 0 of the polynomial. So 3 is a 0 of the polynomial P of x and minus 3 is also a 0 of the polynomial. So 3, minus 3 are zeros of this polynomial x square minus 1. Okay? Alright? We calculate any polynomial, check whether 2, minus 2 are polynomial, this polynomial. We calculate P of 2 and minus 2. We learn another concept. Some alpha, beta are zeros of a polynomial P of x. some alpha comma beta are zeros of a polynomial p of x, then x minus alpha and x minus beta are factors of p of x. We take p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a naught is equal to 0. So a comma b comma c are real numbers. So coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is b. So alpha beta are zeros of a polynomial p of x. X minus alpha and x minus beta are factors of p of x. Can be written as x square plus bx plus c is equal to some k into x minus alpha into x minus beta. Product of these two, we will get ax square plus bx plus c. So k into x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So this is the given two zeros. Then we will write a quadratic polynomial x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Take one example. Some 2 comma minus 3 are two zeros. Then we will write a polynomial, quadratic polynomial is k into x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. We take alpha is equal to 2, beta is equal to minus 3. So quadratic polynomial is k into x square minus x into alpha plus beta. What are our zeros? Alpha is 2, beta is minus 3. 2 plus minus 3 plus alpha into beta. So k into x square minus x into 2 plus minus 3 is minus 1 minus 6. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. So quadratic polynomial is x square minus into minus plus x minus 6. So this is the quadratic polynomial. Given two zeros, then we will write a quadratic polynomial. That formula is alpha comma beta are two zeros of this polynomial. We can write a polynomial k into x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. This is one formula. Once again I repeat that the general form of linear equation is ax plus b where a naught is equal to 0. The general form of linear equation is ax plus b where a naught is equal to 0. The general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c where a naught is equal to 0. A are real numbers. Belongs to cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d where a naught is equal to 0. A comma b comma c comma d are real numbers. This is the general formula. Degree 1. Which polynomial degree 1? That is linear polynomial. Degree 2 is a quadratic polynomial. Which polynomial having degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. So once again I repeat that 2 comma 3 are two zeros. In the examination 2 zeros are given. You write a quadratic polynomial. So two zeros are, one is alpha and the one is beta. The formula makes k into x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. We substitute alpha beta and write a polynomial. Okay. Tomorrow we will write an assignment that p of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. This is a polynomial. Then find P of 0, P of 1, P of minus 2. Substitute 0 in the place of variable x. We calculate P of 0, P of 1, P of minus 2. Next one is degree of 4x cubed yz. This is one term. So calculate, this is a monomial. Also find degree of this polynomial. P of t is equal to t cube minus 1. Find the value of P of 1, P of minus 1, P of 2 and P of minus 2. Next one. Write a quadratic polynomial having zeros 4 comma minus 1. One is alpha, another one is beta. Using the formula, we make a quadratic polynomial. Okay. All are note down and tomorrow do these problems also. Okay.